Hello, what is up, traders? My name is Andy, and welcome to the OptionsKing Trades YouTube channel. All right, we've been asked a lot to create a channel, and we finally done it. So let's get started to the introduction of the server. All right, so this is new members read. If you're a new member in the channel, you want to check this out. It's going to go over the specifics of how we do things in the channel. And premium, it's just, when you're first subscribing to the channel, there's some activation stuff and link in your Discord, all that. So that's just this one right here, that channel. And the Options King channel. All right, this is where you're going to find the main trades that OK takes. All right, he is the main shot caller. So if you're looking at wanting to buy stuff or whatever, that's this channel right here. You're gonna want to pay attention. Okay, on Friday he's going light on QCOM 150 puts, AFRM 38.5, weeklies. So you're gonna go to your trading platform. All right, search up QCOM, select the 150 put, and you're gonna buy it and go light. All right, so manage your risk accordingly. Okay, so that's that. And watch list. Okay, these are gonna be hot stocks for the day, and it's gonna be posted here. All right, some days there might not be anything here. It might be an inside day. Shit's going sideways, so you don't want to trade on those days. All right, so if we do post something, then it's definitely something that's worth watching out for. All right, so for example, he called Disney. All right here on the 13th and then 16th, boom, Disney breaks that key levels and it's off. You know what I'm saying? So you can make alerts in your own, Webull, Robinhood, and watch out for those levels and get in calls or puts, whatever, whatever way it's going, and you're going to make some money. All right, so that's watch lists, just hot stocks or interesting things that can make big moves that are going to be posted in the watch list channel. All right, next we have the SPY Qs in the IWM channel. So every single morning before market opens, the levels for these three ETFs are going to be posted, and you're only going to find stuff regarding these three ETFs here. So this is on Friday, right? 620 we have the levels for the Qs, the IWM and SPY. All right, so over here, and then he posts updates as well. All right, throughout the day, so it's not just one and done. If something interesting is going on or if there's some crazy price action, it's going to be posted. All right, so look, 620 QQQ level 434.32 posted, right? 649, 29 minutes later, it breaks that level right here. Boom, drops $1. So if you got inputs there, you're done for the day. You just need one good trade per day. All right, trading is a marathon, all right, not a sprint. So you want to be in this game for as long as possible. So all it takes is one good trade every day. It's gonna leave you feeling good. You make some money, life's good. You know what I'm saying? So watch out for that. And yeah, it kept going. So that's just what we're posting here, updates. All right, it's running. So when we do that, we're gonna say leave some runners. Because you don't want to risk anything once you made your money. 100%, 50%, whatever profit goal you have, you make that, and then you take out that profit, so you're still up for the day, and you leave some runners in there, you know what I'm saying? So you make a little bit more. All right, so that's the SPY Qs in the IWM channel. Levels are the key takeaway here. Levels posted every single day. All right, and then lottos. All right, so these are riskier plays that we have. We highly recommend just going lightly, manage your risk again. So on, what was it? On Friday or Thursday, we're not going to have calls every single day on here, only when we see something nice. All right. Just when the rewards outweigh the risk is going to be here. All right. So, McDonald's and Shop, we OK called out those plays. So yeah, there we go. Shop hit 30%. So yeah, so there's that. That's the lottos play. Go light. That's the key takeaway. Morning news, just stuff to look out for that can impact price action for stocks, right? So we have, stuff about NVIDIA that's, pumping pre-market. We posted that. And then the PPI, CPI, all that stuff. If you see anything like that, that's going to be posted here. All right. And yeah, any other, things that we see, it's going to be posted in the morning news. Important news, earnings. Earnings are super important for when you're trading stocks or the ETFs, right? So that's going to be right here. So if you post the earnings here, and then so you want to be careful buying those stocks or like on earnings times, right? You can make like 1,000% to 5,000%, like people did with Meta. You can also lose 100%. Your whole investment is also gone. So you gotta look out for that stuff, right? So that's the important news channel. All right. So this is the main members chat. All right. So if you got a question about anything, I mean anything, you post it right here. Okay. So yeah, someone asked about DIA, and so we buy puts below the shooter. So yeah, and he says yeah, and then he gives you a little bit of advice or his thoughts on it, and yeah, there's people helping each other out all the time. Like we see right here, shooter, what pattern is that? And then we get the shooting star patterns posted in the chat. I love the server because of how tight knit it is. You know what I'm saying? Like if you have a question, there's gonna be like at least one person giving you like the answer that you want, right? So your questions are always going to get answered. If you at OK himself, he's going to be there in like less than 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Like the guy's a magician. He's always there trying to answer your questions. All right. It's not always about like, taking calls. You know what I'm saying? Like if you're only in a server, any Discord server just for the calls, you're not going to learn anything about the markets itself. Right. So you want to ask questions and learn about why certain things happen, and this Discord's a perfect place for that. If he makes a play, you can ask like, "Yo, why did you do that?" And he's gonna be like, "Oh yeah, weeklies are doing this, and it's at a low, it's at a high, whatever." He's gonna answer. He's gonna say why, he made the play that he made, so you can be confident in like taking those plays. Because we call out like, 10, 15 plays every single week. Right? But if you don't have the confidence to take it, then you're not going to go anywhere. You know what I'm saying? So that's key thing to take away is, always learn something, so that's that. And the gains is, if you made some good money, take a screenshot, post it here, AI Flowbot is just going to talk about, what calls are being bought, what puts are being bought, all that stuff. And then unusual flow, once again, the money coming in these premiums, so there's that stuff to watch out for. And this is questions. All right. So if you have any fundamental questions about the server, and not like an everyday stock sort of question, it's just fundamental questions you have, about the server, you ask right here. For example, this person's new. He asked, "Hey guys, new here. Where do the trades that are happening for the day usually get posted?" He's like, look, okay. He's answering these questions, Oh yeah, see OptionsKing, main trades. If it's a day trade, he'll say day trade. If it's a swing, he'll say swing. If he's selling and he's in a position, he says, I'm selling right now. So, if you want, sell. If you want to take some profit, leave some runners, do that. All right. And, the ETFs, we went over that. Breakouts, breakdowns, all that, from the pre-market zone, it's posted. He's answering these questions. There's another reason why we wanted to make this YouTube channel, because we get a lot of the same questions, all right? So if we have a video to point to, they can go watch the video and boom, they're already, caught up on, how the server works, right? It just makes the process that much faster. We have testimonials, how much people's account grew, all that fun stuff right here. All right, members charts. So if you see something interesting, if you see a pattern, if you see levels, that catches your eye, you can post them right here. All right, and he will come in and you'll be like, oh yeah, it looks good. So or it looks bad. Whatever he thinks about it, you're gonna get some feedback on on your charting. All right, so yeah, this is the YouTube channel. We announced it to people, so we made a channel for that, and we'll post updates here whenever like a video is posted. And voice channel. All right, this is the meaty part of the video. All right, the good part. Everything's good, but my favorite part, right? on this voice channel, right, every single Thursday, okay, we're going to be hosting, we host live study sessions, all right, on the Discord. Everyone comes in the channel. We have like 30-40 people in the call. So what we do in those study sessions is go over all the plays that we made from Monday through Thursday. All right, so we're going to talk about all that. We're going to talk about the markets in general, answer any questions that the members might have, because sometimes like a question's really complicated, you know what I'm saying, and we tell them, yo, wait, can we save this for the live trading? Not the live trading, the study session, because that question, it might help like everyone else as well. So we save those for the study sessions, right? And then we talk about the game plan for the next day, for Friday. You know what I'm saying? But you guys are going to find it, immediately after. So if you're not subscribed to the server, you can still get some insight on what's going to happen on Friday, and watch that, right? It's not going to be like crazy in depth because, the calls next day will be posted and you're not going to be able to see that if you aren't in the server. But you can still see what we're thinking about, what we're talking about for Friday, all right? And when this server hits 150 members, we're at 110 right now, so around 40 away. We're going to be live day trading every single morning, okay? Every single morning, OK is going to be here doing some day trades, all right? Live on call with everyone in the server, okay? And when that happens, those trading sessions, they're going to be recorded and put on this channel, okay? So that's another thing to watch out for, all right? We're so close. We just need a little push, and we're there, 250, all right? So, that's something else to watch out for. So that's what goes on in the voice chat. General education, stuff to watch out for, candle patterns, all that stuff, mental tips, that we put. And then, books that we really like, we post that in there. So books to read, some of these can be found on Audible. So if you have Audible, you can go listen to it. But there's that. And another purpose this channel is going to serve is that all right, I'm going to day trade every single day and record those sessions and post it on YouTube, right? Using the server, okay? So what we're going to do, or what I'm going to do, is to promote and truly prove that this channel works, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to have this Discord pulled up, it's going to be on my other screen, and I'm going to show my Webull, okay? This is all going to happen. I'm going to record it starting tomorrow, okay? I'm going to record my Webull, okay? And, just pay close attention to what OK's saying and use his calls to prove that you can make money every single day. All right, so my goal for every single day is make $100. All right, make $100 every single day. Okay, and I'm gonna record it every day, every day that the market is open, and I'm gonna post that video on this channel, and it's gonna serve as sort of my diary, I guess, right? But also some insight on like how to use this Discord. Okay. And it's gonna make people more confident. People who aren't subscribed to the server, it's gonna make them feel more confident that because the fee to join is $65. It might feel like a lot of money, but it's an investment, right? It's an investment for knowledge. You're not gonna get in somewhere for absolutely free. You know what I'm saying? So we have that fee, but I swear to God, it's going to pay itself off in like tenfold. So it's $65 to join per month, right? So, but I'm going to show you can make that money back in one day. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to be trading every single day on Webull. So watch out for those videos as soon as I'm done. Maybe I'm trading for like an hour or 30 minutes. I don't know how long it takes. Sometimes it takes me like 10 minutes to make $100. So as soon as that's done, I'm gonna stop the recording, post the video so you can see that recording, right? So that is everything that I wanted to say. I wanted to keep it short, but it ran a little bit long. But that's okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this introduction / channel trailer. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section below. I'll post a link to our to join the Discord server into the description box. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.